Which of the following statements are incorrect? Line AB equals to line BA. Line segment AB equals to line segment BA. You can also call it segment AB equals to segment BA. Ray AB equals to ray BA. Segment AB perpendicular segment PQ equals to segment PQ perpendicular segment AB. So which of them is incorrect? You can call this line AB or BA anything because both sides don't have a end point. So that is correct. This segment you can call it AB or BA. That is also again correct. So line segment AB equals to line segment BA. That is also correct. Now ray AB means A is the starting point and B doesn't end. This goes infinite over there. So ray AB equals to ray BA. Is it correct? No. Because here A is the starting point and B is infinite, and ray BA means what? B is the starting point and A is infinite. These two are exactly opposite, and these two are not same ones. So this sentence is incorrect. AB perpendicular to MN. This is equal to MN perpendicular to AB because both are at 90 degrees. So only C is incorrect. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get soft copies of 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. This is a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases.